Hey guys, Captain Keith here, MarineMax in Clearwater. It dropped below 70 today, so guess what? The sleeves come out. So that's what's going to lead us into this subject. It's going to be winter boating and precautions that you should take when you're out on the water. It's a crystal clear bluebird day outside, so the sun is very bright, very high in the sky. Even though it's wintertime, you can't forget your sunscreen. We also got to remember to stay hydrated out there. So you're going to be sweating and losing water just like you are in the summertime. Now, as far as clothing and keeping warm, especially here in Florida, we get fog will roll in. It might be nice and sunny like this in here inland. As soon as you get a mile offshore, you may not be able to see the bow of the boat. So you're going to get very, very wet. If that's going to be a possibility of being the case, take some extra clothes with you. Take some dry clothes. Take a stocking cap. Have that there so you can keep the heat in your head, in your extremities is very important. Keep foul weather gear on the boat. Just anything like that you can do to keep warm and keep dry. Also, if you got a cold front, that north wind is going to push the water out of here, especially on the west coast of Florida. I don't know if you can see this, but a couple hours ago, this flat up here was bone dry, and all we had was the little ditch of a canal leading out of here. So some of these bigger boats wouldn't have been able to make it out of there. So it's real important, pay attention to your tide charts, and just remember, if it's that north wind, it's going to be reduced. Essentially, you're going to have less water than what the tides predicted. So a little common sense and planning ahead with that stuff there. So keep an eye on the weather. I'm sure there's a ton of other things. All you people up north, put in the comments, help spread the word, keep your friends, keep our customers safe out there. So join in and help us out. Hey, and while we're on the subject of winter and things you need to do to stay safe on the water during the winter, don't forget about your boat itself, especially those of you up north. Get your boats winterized. Do it early. The preventative maintenance is definitely up there. You don't want anything freezing. We're down here in Florida, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's awkward for me to talk about it a little bit, but you guys up there know what I'm talking about. So if you get a chance of freezing, get it into your MarineMax store, get it winterized, get it put away. I feel sorry for you, but spring's coming, I promise, and you'll be out on the water before you know it.